Okay, 17th. Which of the following statements could describe the result of a single mutation of a gene coding for a protease enzyme in a fertilized human egg cell? 1. A new allele is formed coding for a protease enzyme that works more efficiently. This is correct. This is possible. A new allele is formed coding for a protease enzyme that works less efficiently. This again is possible. A new allele is formed coding for a non-functional protein that has no effect on the cell. Possible. A new allele is formed coding for a non-functional protein that has a negative effect on the cell. This again is possible. So the correct answer should include options 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is option G. Question 18. What volumes of a zero point 0.1 mole per dm cube solution of NaOH is needed to neutralize 30 centimeter cube of a zero point 0.2 mole per dm cube aqueous solution of a diprotic acid? So a diprotic acid releases 2 hydrogen ions per molecule, which means that we'll need 2 moles of NaOH to neutralize 1 mole of diprotic acid, as it releases 2 hydrogen ions. And to calculate the moles of the diprotic acid that are present, we convert 30 centimeter cube to dm cube and multiply it with zero point 0.2 mole per dm cube to get moles, which is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles. And then we multiply this by 2 to get the moles of NaOH. So that will be 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles, and we divide that with 0.1 mole per dm cube. So we get 120 centimeter cube, which is option E. We essentially get 0.12 mole, we essentially get 0.12 dm cube, and then you can multiply that with 1000 to get 120 centimeter cube. Okay. 19th. A defibrillator provides an electric shock to a heart to restore its normal rhythm. The energy to do this is 125 joules at a steady voltage of 500 volts for a time of 10 milliseconds. What is the current during this process? So to find our current, we know that power is equal to voltage into current, and power is equal to energy over time. So we convert 10 milliseconds to seconds. 1 millisecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. So this will be 0.01 seconds, and we multiply this with, we divide this by, we divide 125 by 0.01. So we get 12,500 watts, and we divide this by 500, so we get 25 amperes as our answer. All right. Question 20. Rearrange the formula A by B is equal to C by D plus E by F. So you need to take the common denominator in this case here, which is C by D plus E by F, to make F the subject. So here we take CF, we multiply C with F to get the common denominator DF, and D with E, so that CF plus ED is over DF. And then we switch sides, and we will get CADF by B is equal to CF plus ED, and you multiply, you take B to the other side, so you get BCF plus EBD is equal to ADF. Now you take all terms containing F to one side, so that is F common, AD minus BC is equal to EBD, and making F the subject, you take you say that EBD by AD minus BC as your common denominator is your final answer, which will be option D. No. Yes, it'll be option C. Sorry. It'll be option C, which is EBD or BDE divided by AD minus BC. Question 21. Which statements describe a role of mitosis, asexual reproduction, growth of a cell, repair of cells, stem cell division? So asexual reproduction is true, growth of cell will be wrong, repair of cells will be wrong. That's all a part of the cell cycle. So it'll be 1 and 4. That's option A.